Learn English with The Hidden Key by William Gibson. Anna wakes up in a small room with no windows, holding a shiny golden key in her hand. She cannot remember how she got there or why. The room is quiet, and the air feels cool against her skin as she looks around. There is one door in front of her. Suddenly, she hears a soft sound, like footsteps coming from the other side of the door. Anna's heart beats faster as she stands still. The door slowly opens and a tall man with bright eyes steps into the room. He looks at her and smiles but says nothing. "Who are you?" Anna asks, feeling both scared and curious about the stranger. She holds the key tightly in her hand. The man speaks softly, his voice calm and gentle. "I have been waiting for you. The key you hold is important to both of us." Anna feels confused, but something about the man makes her feel safe. She looks down at the key, wondering what it could unlock. "Where am I?" Anna asks, still holding the key tightly. The man's eyes are kind as he steps closer, but he doesn't answer directly. "You are where you need to be," the man says quietly, pointing to the door behind her. "The key will show you the way." Anna looks at the door, feeling both scared and excited. What lies behind the door, and why is the key important? The man watches her closely, but he says no more. Anna walks toward the door with the key in her hand, her heart racing. As she puts the key into the lock, she feels a strange warmth in her hand. The door opens slowly, revealing a garden outside. The garden is beautiful, filled with bright flowers and tall trees. Anna steps outside and feels a soft breeze on her face. The man follows her into the garden, standing quietly beside her. "This garden holds secrets," he says softly. "It will show you what you need." Anna walks through the garden, feeling the grass under her feet. She sees a path that leads deeper into the trees and decides to follow it. As she walks, she hears the sound of water nearby. The path leads her to a small stream with clear, cool water. Anna kneels by the stream and sees something shiny in the water. It is a small silver box, just big enough to fit in her hand. She reaches into the water and picks up the box. The lock on the box is small, and it looks like her golden key will fit perfectly. The man stands behind her, watching closely but saying nothing. Anna feels nervous as she places the key into the lock of the box. The box opens with a soft click, revealing a folded piece of paper inside. Anna takes the paper and opens it carefully, her hands trembling. The paper has only one sentence written on it: Find the one who waits for you at the end of the path. Anna feels a rush of curiosity. She stands up and looks at the man. "Who is waiting for me?" she asks, feeling both excited and scared. The man only smiles. "You must follow the path," the man says softly, pointing toward the trees. "The answer is waiting for you, but you must go quickly." Anna feels the urgency in his voice and begins to walk down the path. The trees around her are tall, and the sky is starting to change color. As she walks deeper into the forest, she hears strange sounds. It is as if the trees are whispering her name, calling her to come closer. Suddenly, Anna sees a figure standing at the end of the path. Her heart beats faster as she walks toward the figure, feeling both fear and hope. The figure turns to face her, and Anna gasps in surprise. It is another version of herself, smiling gently, but with a wiser, older look. "You have found me," the other Anna says softly. "I am the part of you that has been lost for a long time." Anna feels confused, but also relieved. "What does this mean?" she asks, her voice trembling. "How can I be standing here with you?" The other Anna smiles and reaches out her hand. "You have been searching for yourself," she says gently. "Now that you have found me, you are complete." Anna feels a warmth spreading through her as the two versions of herself come together. She feels stronger, wiser, and ready to face whatever comes next. The man appears beside them, smiling warmly. "You have found the answer," he says softly. "Now you are ready for the next part of your journey." Anna takes a deep breath and looks around the forest one last time. She feels peaceful, knowing that she has found what she was looking for. Together, Anna and the man walk back toward the door. The garden is fading behind them, but the feeling of peace stays with her. As they reach the door, the forest disappears, and Anna steps forward into the unknown. She knows that whatever lies ahead, she is no longer afraid. The golden key still feels warm in her hand, a reminder of the journey she has completed. It has unlocked more than just a door for her. Anna looks at the man one last time, feeling grateful for his guidance. "Thank you," she says softly, knowing that she is ready for whatever comes next. With the key in her hand and the man by her side, Anna walks forward into a new world. She feels strong, brave, and ready for her new adventure. The door behind her closes, and the garden disappears. Anna smiles, knowing that her journey is just beginning and she is ready to face it all.